Hi, my beautiful Geminis. Welcome back to Tarot Talks. I hope you guys are doing good and are safe with your family and loved ones. So, Geminis, today we are going to do the collective reading for your sign for the month of May 2023. We are already 5 months down the line of the new year, and like just how and wow. Anyway, it's going to be a collective reading as always, guys, and please take what resonates and leave the rest. Okay, you would also want to check other signs in your birth chart for a better and clear understanding. I am so tired. I can't tell you, so please bear with the low energy, guys. Anyways, so Geminis, while pre-shuffling I wasn't getting too many messages. There were only a handful of messages that were repeating. First of all, someone is someone is probably overthinking about something or some situation. You are literally up at night thinking about something or someone. Okay, someone probably could be a little sad and depressed too. Okay, you are feeling literally down because of something or someone. Nine of swords is followed by 10 of swords. So the oracle card also that I kept seeing was about conclusions are within reach. So guys, first of all, the strong message that was coming through was that you really need to rest. You really need to go within. Okay, go within. The answers that you are seeking outside, they lie within you. Okay, now this will sound very philosophical and preachy, but it's not the case, guys. I'm just rendering the message which is coming very very strongly and which is very true as well. Okay, we are probably you are kind of projecting something which definitely needs to be addressed within yourself. Okay, maybe some sort of anger, some sort of frustration, some sort of hurt. Okay, and maybe the people around you or in your surroundings are reacting to the vibrations that you are projecting. Okay, so definitely a time to introspect, take a step back, look within, look and identify what is it that you need to correct or you need to rectify. And I'm not saying or I'm not accusing or blaming you when I say what you need to rectify. Maybe probably just check whether you are kind of over expecting from someone. Maybe you can lower down your expectations. Okay, and just accept whatever the situation is or whatever it is. Okay, and by that I don't mean that accept any bullshit from anyone. No, that's not what I mean. But maybe accept someone the way they are behaving, someone the way they are probably. Okay, especially if it's your someone from family or loved ones. And of course, like I said, there is of course a a borderline to this or a threshold to this. Okay, of course no BS from anyone, but see if there is anything that you can change within. Okay, so that you can spark the response that is matching your frequency. Contemplate, introspect, rest a lot, sleep a lot, go on a break, go on a vacation. You really need that. Okay. The Hermit card and the Hanged Man, Virgo energy basically was showing up very very strongly, guys. You definitely need a break. Four of Swords has been showing up, which tells that you really need to sleep well. You are not sleeping well, and trust me, my eyes are almost drooping off right now when I'm doing this reading. I'm feeling that sleepy and that heavy headed. Okay, of course, to add to it, I am very tired also, but just saying, it's a time to stand up for yourself. Okay, that's what was coming very strongly. Be gentle to yourself. Say sorry to yourself, forgive yourself. Okay, more than others. Forgive first and foremost. You should forgive yourself and then forgive others. Okay, so be gentle to yourself. That was the message that was coming through very strongly. The Moon card was coming through very very strongly. Okay. Like the card itself was bringing a lot of intense energies. Last month, a friend of mine said the reading was very heavy, but I would I would like to say that the same similar kind of energies I'm getting very intense energies this time also, and I really can't help that, Geminis. You should see what is happening. Okay. Anyway, just kidding. Let's get started and see what we have. Wow, such a relief to see the Sun card in your recent past. Okay. Ouch, 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 ouch. This is what always makes me go ouch, It's the most painful energy of the tarot deck, and this card looks like my stalker card. Oh my god, oh my god, the only three remaining is what? The only three remaining is cups, pentacles, swords. Which sword? Three of wands is remaining, or have we pulled that also? Have I pulled all threes? Oh my god. Oh my god, I have actually pulled all threes, guys. Does the number 3 strike any bell, any chord, any significance to you guys? I mean, this is the first time ever that I have pulled all the four suits for any particular energy, okay? Definitely number 3 is of some significance for you guys. The page of swords, the page of cups has been showing up while pre-shuffling also, and expect some message coming from someone, maybe an apology from someone, okay? Some sort of apology could be on your way, guys. That's what I'm getting very, very strongly. I'm going to just keep it aside. Actually, the reading gets very long if I keep on pulling too many cards, but yeah, those did make sense, so I have pulled them anyway. Okay, so before we begin, let me just quickly check the cards. I think we are good here. In your recent past, there is the Sun and the 6-7 of Pentacles, which is very good news, guys. You were probably waiting for something. You are waiting for some breakthrough. You are probably waiting for some. Could be in terms of your career, okay? It could be in terms of your professional life or in terms of your finances. Maybe you are waiting for your investments to mature so that you get that lump sum money. Whatever it was, it came true, okay? It just manifested, and your wait was over, and over on a happier note, okay? That's what I'm getting, guys. There could be something related to someone's kids as well, okay? Something related to kids, maybe you were waiting your kids medical reports if they were not keeping well, or you were waiting on your kids progress card if they're in school or college, or results, or any news, okay? Any news related to your kids. And the good news is that it has come or turned out to be positive, okay? You're positive in the sense, the happy news, okay? Happy news. The wait has definitely ended on a happy note for some of you guys in the recent past. Leo energy coming through very, very strongly. I am really happy to see the Sun card, at least in the past, okay? In your current energy, guys, there could be a possibility that someone is asking you for money, so be a little careful. Do not get carried away, do not get swayed, do not get emotional and overlend someone, okay? Do a little research, try to find out more information, try to find out whether the person is telling you the truth, okay? Whether the person is really in that dire need of that much amount of money that he or she is probably asking you, okay? Either ways, do not lend money without finding out more information about it. If you are trying to invest in something, okay, if someone has come up with some scheme, okay, there are a lot of frauds happening these days, guys. So please be aware, okay, when it comes to your finances. Please do a thorough research before investing your money anywhere or in anything, okay? Like even if it is shares or stocks, okay, make sure you have done your research well, and then you are investing money, okay? That is what is coming through very, very strongly. Yes, some sort of research is definitely needed in your current situation, guys. Do not by any chance or by any means take any decision that you'll regret later, especially if it is involving money, okay? Also be a little careful while giving money to your kids. If you are giving some some heavy amount to your kids, just be a little mindful, and just make sure that they are asking it for the right reason. Okay, that is what is coming through very, very strongly. Yeah. In your immediate future, I see there is 3 of swords and there is 7 of cups. Some of you guys are definitely hurt over something, and this is the kind of intense energy, or a little troublesome energy that was coming to me through pre-shuffling also. Okay, you guys are definitely not over some situation. You are hurt by someone or something, and you are feeling flustered, and you are feeling emotionally cluttered. Okay, there is a lot of mental clutter. That is what I'm seeing, guys. There is a lot of mental clutter. You are not able to think correctly, or think straight, or you're not able to think rationally. Okay, and that's the reason why it's even more important to not take any big decisions when you are in such a frame of mind. You guys, Geminis, I'm telling you again, you really need to take a rest. Okay, I actually am getting very strong energy from someone who is completely sleep deprived, or who has not been sleeping well. Even if you are sleeping, it's not a quality sleep. Okay, and trust me, I am feeling super exhausted. I anyway am exhausted today, but through this reading I am getting even more harsh and heavy energies. Okay, so please do rest a lot. The card that I forgot to speak about while talking about pre-shuffling energy was the Star card, that is the Aquarian energy, and that card gave me the energy that it is time for healing, it is time for self healing. Okay, and I am not saying healing in terms of physical healing. Okay, that could also be the case for some of you guys, but I feel that someone really needs to heal emotionally or mentally over something, some incident, some loss, or whatever it is, whatever it means to you, or whatever it makes sense to you. Okay, but yes, especially seeing this 3 of swords, I know that someone is really deeply hurt, and you really need to be very, very gentle to yourself, guys. That's what is coming through very, very loudly and clearly to me. Okay, I am going, or I am switching to your overall energy. There are like another 3s over here. Definitely the number 3 is making sense for you guys. It's of some significance to you guys. There is number 6 also, which is 3 plus 3 6. You guys could be working in a team of 3 people. You guys might be you guys could be a trio. Okay, a group or friends, or of 3 folks involved. Okay, either ways, number 3 is really significant. I have no doubt about that. It has been more than clear in this. Okay, some of you guys could be deciding to reconcile or reunite with your your batchmates, your schoolmates, or your college mates, or alumni. Okay, someone from your past. Okay, someone whom you have not met for a long time, maybe a decade or so, or even more. Okay, you guys are planning a reunion, a socializing kind of thing, event. Okay, you might even travel for that. Okay, you guys might even travel for this event or this party or whatever it is. Okay, this reunion. Okay, definitely some sort of planning is going around. This is what I'm getting. Okay, someone is planning a reunion for sure, is what I'm getting, guys. Like I said, some of you guys are also working in a group of 3 people. There was something else that I was saying. Yeah, some of you guys might actually be planning to travel somewhere. You might you are probably finding out more information. Okay, you are exploring the places where you can go, finding out about hotels, reservations. Okay, that kind of a thing. That's what I'm getting very, very strongly. Some of you guys are also waiting for something. Okay, you are waiting for some kind of a breakthrough. This could be in terms of your career. Okay, you could be waiting for some sort of event, or some sort of progress in terms of some decision in your professional aspect, is what I'm getting, guys. Yeah. Eight of Pentacles, you definitely are working very hard when it comes to your profession. That's what I'm getting, guys. You are really working in a focused manner, and I somehow feel that it's a group of three people who are working in a very close knit fashion over here on something very critical. Okay. Eight of Swords, like I said, you guys have not moved on or moved over something is what I'm getting. You are still very much emotionally stuck into some situation, or you are stuck with some energy, or with some person. Okay, someone who has probably badly hurt you, some situation that has hurt you, and you are not able to get over it. Okay, that's the kind of energy I'm getting, guys. Yes, you had a tower moment for sure. Something happened unexpectedly, something came down to you at a very unexpected time, or in an unexpected manner. Someone letting you down, someone betraying you. Okay, someone kind of breaking your trust. Okay, whatever it is, it has definitely hurt you very deeply. It has kind of shaken you is what I'm getting, guys. And even all the more reason to be more sensitive and kind to yourself and others. Okay, forgive yourself first and foremost. I somehow feel that there is going to be an exchange of apology over here. Someone might come and apologize to you for his or her shady behavior. That's what I'm getting. Or you could go and express or say sorry to someone, but I feel that you are going to be the receiver of an apology. Okay, that's what I'm getting. Expect message and communication coming your way. Okay, if not apology, there could be some crucial message that's what you're going to receive, guys. And this tower, okay, this tower and these two pages, they're telling me that you are going to get this message or at a very unexpected time of your life. Okay, it's like it's like it was nowhere in your thought process or energy or vibration. Bam, there comes that message, and things are going to change drastically thereafter. Okay, that's what I'm getting very strongly. Do we clarify what these pages are about, or what this tower is about? Please tell me more about this tower. Guys, yeah, tower is clarified by Seven of Wands and Eight of Swords. So yeah, I mean, whatever situation that you are stuck in, it's just going to come to its natural end all of a sudden. Okay, yes, there could be a lot of arguments that are going to and fro between two people, or the parties involved, wherein you are actually finding it difficult to put your point across to the other party, and you are absolutely feeling helpless and stuck, and you are like, I really don't know what else can I do. I really don't know. It's like you have tried every possible thing. You have tried to communicate in every possible way, and you'll come to a state wherein you are like, okay, whatever, I am just giving up on this. I don't know what to do, and I really don't have anything else left to do. And then comes this tower moment wherein the knot will be untied. Okay, and the situation will get resolved on its own or naturally. Okay, by whatever means. The things, I mean, what I'm trying to say is, it will be not in your control. Okay, it will not be in your control anymore. Okay, you will have to accept whatever it is. Okay, whatever it is. And but at the end of it you are going to feel relieved. Okay, till it's like till when are you going to drag that energy? Till when are you going to beat the same drum? Okay, till when are you going to keep on going round in circles? Whatever it is, okay, I am fine with it. Okay, that would be your reaction. Okay, and you will actually heave a sigh of relief is what I'm getting, guys. That's the kind of energy that is coming through very strongly. So yeah, this tower is kind of going to get you out of that situation that you're so badly stuck into. Okay, that's what I'm getting very strongly. Gemini is very intense energies, guys. I am sorry, but that's how it is. Let's quickly pull some additional message from this beautiful deck. What is it? Nothing is yet set in stone, and believe in the impossible. Wow, I absolutely liked it. I mean, do not jump to any conclusions, guys. Just wait and watch. Okay, sometimes we just need to surrender to the divine and just see how things unfold for you guys, and keep on believing in the impossible. I am absolutely loving this message that your spirit guides want you to know. Okay, just believe in the impossible and just believe in miracles. Okay, your dreams need practical plan. This card has been showing big time for a while, pre-shuffling for you guys also. So to whoever needs to listen to this, your dreams or aspirations need practical plans or practical actions also alongside. Okay, yeah, so let's quickly pull another message from this beautiful deck. No need to worry. Wow. And at the bottom of the deck is peaceful resolution. This has been showing up while pre-shuffling also, guys. I trust me, I myself am relieved to get these cards after such a heavy reading. The angels are definitely telling you that there is nothing to worry, guys. Just surrender to the divine. Just let go of the control. Just surrender. Okay, you are going to arrive or reach up to a peaceful resolution, and such a relief this is, I can't tell you. I mean, I was feeling so heavy as a reader. So just breathe a sigh of relief, guys, and just wait and let things unfold naturally. Okay, let's pull some charms and conclude the reading, guys. Okay, initial H, initial what, A, and initial G. HAG, whatever this means to you guys. If it's kind of striking any chord, person, place, pet, thing, okay, any memory, whatever these initials are meaning to you. And what else is this? Life is a gift. Yeah, definitely, it's a gift, and you need to cherish it no matter what. Life just passes by. Okay, with a blink of an eye, a year is gone and years are gone. So please enjoy each and every moment the way it is. She believed she could, so she did. Wow, such a lovely charm that talks about confidence. So just hang in there, guys. Even if it is written, it is addressing a female over here or a feminine energy. Please, it's not based on gender. Again, it's the energy that I'm talking about, male, female, it could be anybody. Have faith. Okay, basically this reading is just telling me one thing to communicate to you is have a faith. Okay, she believed she could, so she did. You are doing absolutely right. You are at the right place at the right time. Okay, so just trust the divine process, just trust the divine timing, and everything shall be taken care of. Okay. Phew. Geminis, I'll leave it at that. I'll see you next month directly, guys. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye, take care.